Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and healthy. So, today we are going to start our lesson number 4. The name of this lesson is Going Down on a Hill Bicycle, a boy's song. So, now, the student, you know about the poem. So, this poem is written by Henry Charles Beeching. He was an English clergyman, an author, and a poet. So he was born on 15 May 1895. Okay, so we talk about this author. So now, what is in this poem? So in this poem, the student, you all know the cycling is very good. आप सब जानते हैं क्या होता है साइकिलिंग इज वेरी गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ ओके स्टूडेंट so now the student if you so now you all know cycling is very good for our health so it enhance our physical fitness. It is also a good way to reduce weight, and these days cycling has also become popular as a sport. Many people all around you see that the world take part in cycling competition. Yes, you know the student. I think you also take cycling part in the cycling competition, students. So now I'm asking after this session. Okay. So now the student, this poem is inspired by freedom. इसके किसके द्वारा inspired है freedom के द्वारा. Every bird, every human beings need freedom. Freedom is the greatest gift to mankind. People experiences freedom in different way. Here the boys experience a sense of freedom. You can see the pic of a bird here. The boy experience a sense of freedom and he rides down the hills on his bicycle. So in this poem, that's it's understood what happened stanza wise. So now the students about the when we talk about this chapter, when we learn about the chapter, we there are the some lines we call them the paragraph. हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं paragraph. When we read a poem and these lines is called a stanza. So we will start a stanza. So now let's start. Now that we know about cycling, let's read a poem about a boy who cycles down the hill. हम एक boy के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो क्या कर रहा है एक जो माउंटेन्स हिल है उससे वो क्या कर रहा है डाउन द हिल वो हिल से नीचे आ रहा है. So now with lifted feet and hands still, I am post. Okay, students, start with heedful mind. The air goes by in a wind. So now the student in this stanza, if you can see the image of a boy whose feet are lifted up and hands are still on the bicycle. जो उसके जो hands है वो क्या है bicycle पे है. So now so the young boy is saying that my feet is lifted and hands are still. I am post. So now the student here, the post means confident. Okay, post means confident. I am coming down the hill. I am coming down the hill. The young boy is actually riding the bicycle and he is enjoying the ride. You know, his hand are fixed and he is totally confident. His hand can fix है and he seem totally confident. So now the student start with heedful mind. So now here the student heedful means very attentive. Now at the same time he is saying the children suppose you come from a slope, then the speed of a bicycle increase. Then he is saying that I am coming from the hill, so my speed is fast, that I am having a heedful mind means attentive confident mind. I am very careful of the bicycle, in the same time I am enjoying very attentive also. So now the students, you notice that when you came down from the hill, जब आप नीचे आते हैं, अगर if you ride a bicycle, if you came down from the hill, you notice that you must be a very confident. Okay, so your mind should be a very attentive at the time. So now he is just saying that I am just feel the air in the wind. I am just feel the air in the wind. Now Student, suppose you something ride a car, speeds of it's very fast. What do you feel? You feel air in your face. Now, student, have you feel the air in your face? I can feel the direction of the air. I can feel and sense of the air. So, in this stanza, the poet says, the boy says that he feels the sense of the air when he down the hill. So now you have to understood the first stanza. So now we come on the second stanza. Swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry. Oh bird, see, see, bird, I fly. So now the student in this paragraph, the boy says he is saying he is enjoying the ride. His speed is increasing, his hands are fixed, and he is attentive. So now the student will notice that he is very attentive when he going down the hill, but he is enjoying the bicycle ride. You know his lungs laugh. You know his lungs laugh means he is laughing and enjoying that his lungs are started paining. So he is just enjoying, he is giggling. So now at the same time he points out to a bird, he is saying something to the bird. So now is the same, he's saying to the bird. Now you can see the pic, the oh bird, see bird, I fly. So now he tell a bird, oh bird, see bird, मुझे देखो, I fly, I am also flying. Why is also flying? ये भी क्यों उड़ रहा है? So now he going down the hill. ये क्या कर रहा है? हिल से नीचे आ रहा है, और जब ये हिल से नीचे आएगा तो क्या होगा? नीचे आते हैं जब हमको क्या पूरी मोर अटेंशन चाहिए होती है स्टूडेंट्स, और क्या होता है? व्हेन वी केम डाउन द हिल वी फील द सेंस ऑफ एयर. सो नाउ ही इज एक्चुअली enjoying his bicycle. So now you notice, is this your joy, oh bird? Then I though a boy for a golden moment share your feather life in air. So now the student, the boy is saying in this line that now you can see a boy put a finger to a bird. ये finger कर रहा है, किसको करके रहा है finger? Bird को. So now he is saying, dear bird, tell me one thing, you also fly. Here he said that you also fly. The speed of his bicycle, the speed of this bicycle, even I feel I am flying because, why is flying? Because bicycle is moving constantly. So he is asking to the bird, why is asking to the bird, is this your best joy? This is a golden moment for me because I am enjoying the life. We had the boy saying that he is enjoying the life. A feather, you have your wing, you fly anywhere. Now talking to किससे बात कर रहा है? बर्ड से बात कर रहे हैं. Now you have your wings, you fly anywhere, you are free. So today is the memorable day for me. Now I am enjoying the same time of ride that you do. So now in this stanza the bird said now he is enjoying, and he is enjoying the bicycle, and he compared the bird. And you notice that he point out the finger to the bird, that what is that I am also flying because bicycle is moving constantly. Now the student, you notice that when you came down the hill, जब ऊपर से नीचे आते हैं तब आप क्या होता है, ज्यादा आपको पुश करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. तो वो क्या होते हैं, अपने आप ही ऑलरेडी क्या हो रही होती है, पुश कर रही होती है. So now you feather life in the air. So we talk about the feather life, we talk about the bird life in the fair. And the boys is also feel the sense of air, of the air when he came down the hill. So now student, I hope you have to understood the third stanza. Now let's move on the next page. Now, say heart, is there aught like this in a world so full of bliss. It is more than skating bound, still stored to the level ground. So now the student, the boy is asking his own heart. वो अपनी खुद के हृदय से पूछता है, his own heart, is there anything like this? Is there anything like this? What is like this? That he feel the experience, he feel the joy when he came down the hill. So now in this word is full of bliss. Now the student here, bliss means also called a joy. So now, as wonders as a bicycle, and he wondered as a bicycle. I don't think so. Even it is better than the metal shoes that we use. This bicycle is the best, right? So now we talk about here metal shoes. We talk about the skating. Here he says that he is skating. You enjoys to skating? No. So here he compared to the skates. Then he says that he use and he bicycle is the best ride. I think there is no other beautiful things that he write. Then he talk about steel shore to the level ground. जब वो steel shore की बात करता है, किसकी बात करता है? Wearing a metal shoes, and we talk about the skating onto the level ground. When you're skating to a ground, it is enjoyable or not. And then the boy is saying that in this line, the boy is saying that he enjoys more than the skating. Okay, he is more enjoying than the steel shoe. Okay, so now I hope you to understood the number 4 stanza. So I am repeating again. So in this line, the boy is asking his own heart, there is anything like this. Okay. So now in this is the word full of bliss. So now here the bliss is also a joy. So the student here, the old English word for anything. We talk about the anything is heard is there anything like this, and its word full of bliss. इसका जो word है किससे भरा हुआ है? joy से भरा हुआ है. It is more than skating bound, and he compare his riding to a skating, and when who wear a steel a metal shoes and skate to a level ground, then he is more enjoying this ride also. When he in this stanza he compared to a steel shoe. So now we move on the next stanza, number 5. Speed scalons now. I float a while in my airy boat till when the wheels scarce crawl, my feet to the treadles fall. So now I float. Now the student, he was coming from a hill. He was fast, but now when he has reached the plain area, his speed was reduced. Now he is floating. He came, he's floating and he came to place. He stopped his bicycle because his ride is almost over. Now he has to put his feet down on the road, and wheel will stop crawling and moving while wheels is stop moving because he has already completed his bicycle riding. Now he can on the plane. So now the student in this stanza we talk about the his right when he came down the hill, and its speed skeletons. Here the mean skeletons means gradually become slower. When you come down a plain path from the hill, you notice that the speed of his bicycle is slowly down. धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाती है, उसकी स्पीड कम हो जाती है. कम हो जाती है और उसको इतना पुश करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. So now he said that he is floating as he come to the place. He stopped his bicycle. उसने अपने जो bicycle है stop कर दी थी. When he came down from the hill, then he pushed his bicycle and his mind is very attentive and his hand are still on the handles. Okay, now when he came to the hill, जब वो नीचे आ गया, हिल से नीचे आ गया, तो when he tell that now he has to put his feet down on the road and will stop crawling and moving. जो साइकिल के जो व्हील्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, crawling करना और moving करना. क्या कर दिया उन्होंने, stop कर दिया. Now he has already complete his bicycle. Okay student, now riding now his aim on the plane. So now he tells that what he tells that the wheels Scarce is also called limited. And treadless, the means of treadless means a flat piece of metal or wood. So my feet to the treadless fall. थ्रेडलेस मीन्स क्या होता है कि देखो अ फ्लैट पीस ऑफ मेटल और वुड, जब हमारा जो जो बाइसाइकिल थी उसकी जो ड्राइव थी वो एकदम से स्टॉप हो गई थी, तो उसके फीट अब कहाँ थे, पेडल पे नहीं थे, उसके फीट अब कहाँ आ गए थे, ग्राउंड पे आ गए थे. नाउ alas, that the longest hill must end in a way, but still who climbs with toll? Wheresoever shall find wings waiting there. So now here, alas, something missing, a kind of sadness is expressed here. Now the boy says, oh God, I just missed the previous ride that I had. Now the boy says, for those people who want to enjoy their ride, they have to work a little bit. Why they have to work little bit? Why to climb this mountain? First of all, because they want to climb the mountain, first of all they have to ride the bicycle to the top. And when you ride the bicycle to the top, now something slanting you feel if you go bottom to the top. If you feel, now you notice that if you go bottom to the top, you have to push more energy if you go on the top. अगर तुम टॉप पे जाओगे तो तुमको क्या करनी पड़ेगी, push more energy. Now and now student, you push the handle, the little bit movement. He's saying if you want to enjoy this ride, you have to work a little bit hard and you have to climb the mountains. When you climb the mountains, the wings will be wings will be waiting for you here. The wings means same enjoy that he had. So now we talk about the same enjoyment of the boy. Okay, so you must end in a vale, but still who climbs with toll? Where whoever shall find wings waiting there. So we talk about these wings, and here the word vale means valley, and here who climbs with toll? Toll means work hard for a period of time. So I told you about that when you go to the bottom to the top, you have to push handle the little bit movement. He's saying if you want to enjoy this ride, you have to work little bit hard and you have to climb the mountain when you waiting for this. So now the student in this stanza he tells about this same enjoyment, the same enjoyment on the mount waiting for you. Now this is a poem about a young boy. So now the student, this poem is about a young boy, and in the last stanza he tells to the other, he tells to the other boys or other person that if you want this same enjoyment that he felt, जो उसने महसूस की, then he push then he pushed the handle and he pushed do this hard work to when you firstly reach the mountain. When you came back to the mountain, now you feel the same type of enjoyment that he had. So now this is the poem about a young boy who's expressing his joy on a bicycle, right, that he had started from the top of the mountain and finally where he came down. Now he felt little sad and telling to all the reader, if you want to enjoy this ride, that you have to work a little bit more on decline the mountain. So now student, I hope you have to understood the poem.